Today we are reviewing Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G has display size of 6.6 inches with a display type of PLS LCD with a resolution of 1080p, which is about 1080 by 2408 with 400 ppi with the 20 by 9 screen to body ratio, which is about 80.2%. The front facing camera has 13 megapixel, an internal storage of 64 with micro SD card expansion available. There is no wireless charging available on this phone. For device security, there are fingerprint sensor on the side mounted and face unlock feature. For rear camera megapixel, it is 50 megapixel with 2 megapixel depth sensing with 2 megapixel macro camera. There's portrait mode available for both front and rear camera. This phone has 4 GB RAM. The processor on this phone is Samsung Exynos 1330. The maximum video recording resolution is 1080p at 30 FPS rear and 1080p at front. The battery capacity on this phone is 5000 mAh with 15 watt charging. The software available on this phone is Android 13, Samsung One UI 5. This was review for Samsung Galaxy A14 5G.